How to transfer USDT from Bitgate to Metamask. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to transfer USDT from Bitgate to Metamask. In order to transfer an asset, first thing you have to copy the wallet address of the receiver since we are sending it to Metamask. So open up your Metamask application and go and log in into your account. Then so here you need to go ahead and select add crypto to get started, and next thing you have to go and locate USDT. Then you need to copy the wallet address or the QR code. When you've actually done with that procedure, exit out of your Metamask, go and log in into your Bitgate account. When you're logged into your Bitgate account, then you have to go ahead and press on the receive button. You could go to assets, and from here you could go and press on receive. When you press on the receive button, then you need to paste in the wallet address that you recently copied and enter the exact amount of asset that you wish to send and confirm and review all of the terms and conditions. Then you've successfully transferred USDT from Bitgate to Metamask. So in this way you can transfer USDT from Bitgate to Metamask. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.